guys, I got a fucking package here from fucking eBay. It's for my fucking S2000. Let's see what it is. Nobody got time to waste. It's COVID-19. I got the fucking mask on. I'm not even cutting the tape, I'm cutting the fucking box. Trying to be fucking famous. 1.4 million fucking subscribers. So if you own an S2000 and you're fucking broke, this is what you want. What we got here? Look at these fucking bad boys. $190 headlights. AP2 replica headlights that will bolt up to a fucking AP1. They're fucking nice. Hold on. They're fucking brand new. I don't know the quality, but looks like a ticket D2S bulb. Has a nice little projector in there. Can you see it on the GoPro? Yeah, so this is pretty much a factory AP2 style headlight, but the ballast that it takes, it'll you can put an AP1 ballast on here, so it's pretty nice. I bet you that this projector probably sucks though, so I'm gonna test these out eventually, and if the output is not good, I'm gonna fucking just gut the AP1 headlight and just put all the guts of the AP1 headlight inside here. I mean, you can't go wrong for $190. Let's see if the other one is broken. They feel kind of cheap though, no? I don't know. They smell like they just came from fucking China, bro. Like they're from Taiwan. I don't know, they look good. They look alright. What do you think? For the price, I mean, if you just want your car to look cool, I guess it's pretty good. Oh, they look alright to me. So I bought these off of eBay for $190, free shipping from OEM Massive. But I feel like all the lights come from the same fucking company, because all the lights that I use to make my LED tail lights come from this company called Wan. It's a Taiwanese company, and their fucking name is always on the fucking the label, so it's all coming from the same guy, I think. Just different sellers on eBay. Oh, these are nice, but I feel like up close you can tell they're kind of cheap. I don't have a OEM AP2 headlight to compare, so hopefully when I put these on my car, I get the chance to park next to a OEM car, see how they match up. But out the box they look pretty good. I mean, I'm gonna try them on and see, so I'll give an update on how they seal up, because if you notice on the back there's no caps. The caps aren't there. I guess you got to use your AP1 caps. The lid that goes here, and the rubber gasket that goes here, and then obviously your turn signal socket goes there. I think it just uses the same bulbs. I don't know, I'm not sure. But definitely the ballast is a AP1 ballast for a whole rectangle HID ballast. So that's it. About to post this on IGTV and YouTube. Try to get back in the game. I got a couple more packages coming, so if you guys like these kind of videos, I'll keep fucking posting them. I will post a video of me installing these. It's gonna be a quick and easy video. And then I'll get some output comparison between the AP1 and the AP2. And we'll see how it looks. But $190, you can't go wrong. The OEM headlights cost like $1,000, so that's like a fraction of the cost. But that's gonna be the end of this video.